we are going to read this one. Okay. Or you can sing this. My father,
别放到太高了，松手，松手。
my father, my
My
mother,
mother,
my
my sister,
sister.
my brother.
We have so much fun.
Uh,
They're
We're
number one.
one.
Yes. Okay. Who is watering the flowers? She is.
She is.
Who is she? She is the mother. All right. Who is watching TV?
Father.
He is my father or the father. Who is painting? She is the
Sister.
sister. Who is playing? He is the
Brother.
brother. Very good. You got a star. Good job. So now let's go. Ethan, look, this is Paul's family album. Okay, now look at here. What is Paul doing? He is
Book.
he is reading.
He is reading.
Yes, he is reading. One more.
Reading.
Okay. Now, can you read album? What is an album? A book that you put photos in. Do you have an album? Yes or no? Do you have an album? Mm, yes, I do. No, I don't.
喜欢就是喜欢。
No.
No, no, I don't.
Yes.
No, yes, yes, I do.
到底是怎么？
No.
No, I don't have. No, I don't have. So this is Paul's album. Who is driving the car? Who is driving the car?
Father.
He is the father. Very good. Next, who is he?
这个是怎么？
He is
Grandfather.
very good. And look, who is spinning?
那这个呢？老师问你另一个呢？
She
对面怎么
is.
说？
Sister.
Yes, she is sister. Very good. High five, high five. Good job, Aidan. Okay, let's listen to the story of Big
A
Family.
big family.
Ting.
Is this your photo album, Tim?
Mhm.
Yes, this is my family.
This is my family. Ting.
Who are they?
Who are they?
That's my father and mother.
That's my father and mother. Page 3 and 4.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Who's she?
She's my sister.
Oh, she's Jane.
She's Jane. Yes, and the last pages 5 and 6.
And who's he?
He's my brother.
Here's my brother. Patrick.
Yes,
Patrick.
Patrick.
Yes, Patrick. All right. Now, photo album. A photo album, a book that you put photos in. Yeah, let's read the story. Is this your photo album, team?
This and photo album.
Let's read it. Is this
This
your photo album, team? Your photo,
photo album.
team?
And
Yes, this is my family.
yes, this is my family.
All right. Are they looking at Tim's family picture? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes, they are.
yes, they are.
All right, very good. Now, let's read the second one. Who are they?
Who are they?
That's my father and mother. That's my
That's
father and mother.
father and mother.
你知道什么？
Okay, look at the picture, Aidan. Who are they in the picture? They are
They are
father and mother.
father.
Very good. Great job, Aidan. Next page. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
那你这是谁？
How many brothers and sisters do you have? Okay, let's read it. How many
那你有几
How
个？
many
brothers and sisters
brothers
那你
and
有
sisters do you have?
do you have?
I have
I have
one brother
one brother
and one sister.
and one sister.
All right. So how many brothers and sisters does Tim have? He has
He has
one brother
one brother
and one sister.
and one sister.
All right. How many brothers and sisters do you have, Aidan? Do you have brothers and sisters? Yes or
One
no?
brother and one sister.
You have one brother and one sister?
老师问你，你有
You.
那你有
Do you
吗？你有
have
吗
brothers and sisters?
你有吗？
Oh,
你没有，妹妹和妹妹。
Yes or no?
no.
No, I don't have.
No，
No, I don't have.
说
Come on.
I don't.
All right. No, I don't have. Okay. Now let's read again. Can you read? Who's she?
Who's she?
She is my sister.
She's
Oh, Jane.
oh, sister.
Okay. Is Jane Tim's sister? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, she is. Oh, come on. Yes, she is.
Yes, she.
Do you have sisters, Aidan?
You have one
哎，你有吗？
Do you have sisters?
sister
No, I don't have.
Yes.
Ah, yes, you have. You have.
Yes.
Ethan has a sister.
Yes.
Yes.
Um,
No, I don't have. Say it. No, I don't have.
no, I don't have.
Yeah, maybe in the future you can have sister. Baby sister. Okay. Now, who's he? He's my brother.
He's my brother.
Yes. Is he Tim's sister or brother? He is
Brother.
brother. Yes, very good. Okay, let's read. Can you say Patrick?
Patrick.
Yes, Patrick.
Yes, Patrick.
What's Tim's brother's name? He is
He is
Patrick.
Patrick.
Yeah. Does Anne know Tim's brother's name? Yes or no?
Uh,
Yes, she does.
yes, she does.
Very good. Okay, Ethan, how many brothers and sisters does Tim have? He has. Circle the picture. Circle the picture of Tim's brother and sister. Oh, okay, now say it. She has. He has
He has
one brother and one sister.
and
One brother.
and one brother and one sister.
He has one brother and one sister. Okay, which picture shows Tim's father and mother? Circle Tim's father and mother. Yes, that's it. Very good, Ethan. Okay, now say this. They are
They are
Tim's mother and father.
his mother and father.
Yes, very good. Good job. Ethan, which picture shows Tim's family? They are five in the family. Which picture? Wow. Okay, very nice. Okay, now say they are
They are
five in the family.
five as family.
In the family.
In the family.
Who are they? They are
Who are they?
mother,
They are
father,
father,
brother,
brother,
sister,
sister.
Tim. All right, now thank you so much. Now let's have Energizer. Boom tarat tarat. Boom tarat tarat. Tarat tarat. Boom boom boom. Faster. Boom tarat tarat. Boom tarat tarat. Tarat tarat. Boom boom boom. Slower. Boom. Tarat tarat. Boom. Tarat tarat. Tarat tarat. Boom boom boom. Very good, Aidan. You're awesome. Awesome! High five, high five. Good job. High five. High five with mommy. Yay! Yay! Okay, let's go. So in this lesson, we review the song I Love My Family and learn the story A Big Family. So now we are going to spell some words. Are you ready?
ABCD.
You want ABCD? Okay, write ABCD. Let's go. Go, go, Ada.